Who is Charlie Morgan? Charlie Morgan is a business owner who makes millions per year by helping agency owners, coaches, and consultants get more clients. So, this guy recently changed his content strategy, and this content strategy got him more than 60,000 subscribers in 3 months. And it's very obvious because you can see here, it's obvious what he changed. From his old content, you're seeing that he had edited thumbnail and the videos were super edited, because if I show you the first seconds of this video,
you're going to go from being a complete beginner to becoming rich by copying the exact cold email template that has taken me to 1 million.
And then you have the new content strategy, as you can see, with barely edited thumbnails, and the titles are also kind of intentional but with lower case, just random, right? And the video as well.
Alright, it's a cloudy day in Dubai.
So as you can see, it looks like he does not care. He's like, you know what, hey, I'm gonna just make this video because I feel like it. And he makes lower effort videos, and he still got 60,000 subscribers in 3 months. So why? Because he just didn't wake up and decide that he wants to make this type of videos. The reason why he wanted to make this type of videos is because he was not enjoying the type of content he was making. He was making SMMA content, and SMMA was too saturated that he was repeating himself over and over again, that he just got tired of it. So he wanted to make content that he was enjoying and content that he could talk about for hours. Because his SMMA content, he was making the content, he was done with it. He was tired of it. So he asked William Brown, this guy, he was like, this guy just blew up and started making money, a lot of money. And he made like 300,000 in a month with like 10,000 views, less than 10,000 views on average. So Charlie Morgan was like, what? How? How did you do that? Like, do you have any strategy? And William Brown was like, just have fun, mate. Just have fun. I spend 1 hour a week. And Charlie Morgan was like, again, what? How? So he's like, okay, now I don't care anymore. I'm gonna have fun and make the content I want. I want to feel more authentic. I want to make videos that I watch. And he used to watch Sam Ovens. Sam Ovens, if you don't know, he's the GOAT of this online business. He's basically one of the best. Until this day, people watch his content, and he retired from YouTube. So Charlie Morgan was like, you know what? I'm going to take the legacy of Sam Ovens and I'm going to do similar videos. He's also doing videos about, like, he's using examples of psychology, biology, and ancient, like, Rome empires, stoicism, just like Sam Ovens. And before you say, he copied him, no. Let's say you're a kid when you were younger, like you're a baby here. Who do you look up to? Who do you look up to? Your parents, of course. So when you're a kid, you just follow the behaviors of your parents. If your parents are criminals and they do bad things, they smoke inside your house and stuff, when you grow up, you will do the same. But when your parents just do super great things and you admire them, you will also emulate them. So I'm not saying that Charlie Morgan is the son of Sam Ovens, but Sam Ovens is the mentor of Charlie Morgan. So Charlie Morgan looked up to him, and now he wants to make the videos that he used to watch before, and he used to watch Sam Ovens. It's as simple as that. And this was his strategy. He started caring less and doing less effort, and he grew 60,000 subscribers. Now, there's this thing. You have the content, okay? You have the flesh, but you need something. There's something missing. Because without the something missing, the flesh are gonna be just down here, nothing's gonna work. So, of course, there's one thing missing, which is the skeleton. And the skeleton is the backend systems. So, if you don't have this, you won't have this. But if you only have this, you're not gonna attract anyone. No one's gonna look at you. Doesn't matter how good this is, no one's gonna look at you. Same here. Doesn't matter how good this looks, If this looks bad, if this doesn't function, you're not gonna function. So you need a combination of both, and that's why you have to keep watching this video, because this wouldn't work if this doesn't work, and he wouldn't make money if he didn't have both combined. So in order to have this, he follows a 3-step framework. And the first step is capturing the attention, getting the attention. And how does he get the attention? Through YouTube ads, through YouTube organic, and through outbound. He gets most of his traffic from YouTube ads, but us, since you're watching YouTube organic, we're gonna focus on the funnel of the YouTube organic. So from the step 1, he goes to step 2, which is converting the leads, and he converts the leads from to his Imperium agency, which is getting coaches, consultants, and agency owners clients. And step 3 is delivering the results, because if you do not deliver the results, then doesn't matter how much traffic, if you have a bad reputation, all people will stop buying. So he gets the job done, and if you don't get the job done, they will just give you back the money. So the money that they make from here, a lot of it goes back to the attention, which means it goes back to YouTube ads. And when you think about it, like, oh, okay, but how? Like, what's the full funnel process? And that's why, don't worry, bro, I got you. First of all, we're gonna go from attention to delivery, and we're gonna analyze his most viral video, most viewed video, which is I figured out how to actually get rich quick, lol. So if you see why this video got viral, I'm gonna explain you now. That's because first, the title is unconventional a little bit and different than the super Iman Gaji kind of title. It's like, okay, hey guys, I figured out how to actually get rich quick. But it's also the thumbnail, because if it was me, maybe no one would click. But since it's Charlie Morgan, and you see, okay, this guy does this face, why? Thumbs up. And then he has a normal watch, and he's saying this, but what? Wait. He has a super nice house. So of course they will click, and it's 90 minutes. So it's like, okay, it's 10 minutes. I want to know how this guy got rich and how I can get rich as well. And that's why people click this video. So it's always, you have to analyze always the thumbnails, because not everyone can do this. So let's talk about the attention. How does he get the attention? From YouTube. We're gonna talk about YouTube organic, because he makes like 800,000 per month through YouTube organic. So the YouTube video, he gives YouTube video value. But first, these kind of videos don't actually get the leads. These are the videos that get you the leads. The videos that are long, and these videos sell. As you can see, 22-hour video. If you spend 22 hours watching Charlie Morgan, implementing everything that he said, you're 100% gonna buy his program. Same here, you're spending more time with him. You're spending hours. You're spending hours watching him. You spend hours. You're definitely gonna buy. So let's say that he funnels you through with this video, and he tells you, okay, click the link on the description, and ignore this because it's part of him just being funny. But this is the actual link that he puts in all of his videos. So he's like targeting marketers. So it's like, I hate case study funnels. Funnels, marketers already know what's funnels. They know what's pitching and being pitched. And he just tells you, okay, since you know that, I'm gonna just get you into my funnel. There's no opt-in, no free training. If you're interested, just go here. Literally. It's like, if you don't, I don't care, but just go here. And then you click the link and you go into his sales page. We're going to analyze his sales page. As soon as you enter, you get this head navigation bar. There's no navigation. And then you have the headline for who it is: agency owners, coaches, and consultants. So if you're none of them, if you're a singer, you just leave. And then you have this is the sub headline, kind of. Then you have the headline. You're one step away from learning how you can fill your pipeline with 30 to 100 plus qualified appointments every single month. So he's giving you the offer right away. Okay, get 30 to 100 qualified appointments. This is the offer, and it is guaranteed. The guarantee is that if you don't get clients, you don't get paid. So here he just goes straight away and tells you this is a funnel as well from the
Oh,
VSL,
baby. My name's Charlie Morgan, and I'll be honest with you. This is a
because he knows his audience. He knows that his audience just knows that this is the funnel. So why trying to just make you crazy? No, this is a funnel. This is it. Simple. And then he gets the VSL. You watch the video. He's like, step one, watch the video, and then schedule a call if this is what you want. Then you schedule a call, but then if you're not sure about it, they will tell you, okay, this is what you will get from the call. These are the 3 value that you will get on the call. Even if you don't buy, you'll get still this value. And then for those who are still skeptical, he just goes into removing your beliefs. Okay, he tells you that you don't need to be great, you don't need to be a wizard, or you don't need to have years of experience using the computer. And then he just tells you like, okay, if you want to reduce stress and make more money, we will show you how. And he guarantees you. And he said there is nothing like this program. This is the best program possible that you will ever find. So it just brings more confidence that he's sure about his product, he trusts his product, that he's able to say this kind of things. And then he shows testimonials, social proof, more social proof. So it's like, wow. I'm sure that no one is going to watch everything, but when you see this, you're like, wow. And then you see Trustpilot, because Trustpilot, it's a reliable source, 5-star, come on. And then he tells you what's included inside, everything that you will learn from this program. And then it's like, okay, book a discovery call, and that's it. This is the funnel, and this funnel works. This funnel makes him what? Hundreds of thousands per month. And it's a super simple, not crazy design, super simple. So now that we've got the sales page analyzed, what happens after you're qualified? You say yes. Okay, it's like, okay, you're qualified. Yes, you go through the discovery call, everything good. You will receive an email. Before the discovery call, when you're qualified, you will receive an email to follow up. So it's like, hey, remember, this is the meeting at this time. They will send it to you again a couple of days before, because they just want to make sure that they care about you. And then you get into the Zoom meeting, and if you buy, you're convinced you buy. And then you will go through, because he has 2 programs, but you will go through this program if you come from here, Easy Grow, because you want clients, so you don't have enough money to get this part. So Easy Grow, it's a community, it's a course, but inside the course it's a school community. You will get you get calls, you will get mentorship, you get accountability, and then the program. So if you're successful, or if the program was super valuable to you, he will upsell you to his mastermind called Imperium Mastermind, which is, I think, 30,000. I don't know, it's very, very high ticket. But this is just the best funnel possible, honestly, because the way he sells you is just natural, and he gives like something called the transparent marketing, which is here, and the VSL. This is a funnel. Okay, this is me, this is Charlie Morgan, is a funnel. I'm gonna sell you something. And that's what makes Charlie Morgan a crazy marketer, and that's why this guy makes this amount of money.